Now coming to this source questions. In the source question basically who was Lord Clive, एक तो ये expected लग रहा है ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का, और second is of the salt march. इन दोनों में से कोई एक लग रहा है based on the grounds, based on which grounds most of the students are asking which grounds. This is a guess. So grounds is that, for example, the central period, most of the in the recent attempts they have been asking about the central period like Ziaul Haq and other reforms and etc. So this is one of the things that either they will go way back like the East India Company, because this has been tested pretty much less in the few attempts, or they will go to the salt march thing and then why it happened and the non-cooperation movement and each and everything. Okay. Now they have asked about the CENTO, so I am expecting the other questions would be around CETO and relations. One of the questions with relations with, I think so it would be most predominantly with US or India among these. Okay, and that period of whichever it is written. One question I am expecting this time, perhaps they remove it, might not come. Okay. So CETO we have done, CETO relations with US, India, either from Khilafat movement, it would be Khilafat movement question, because not the War of Independence, the Khilafat movement, other way around. Either one of them comes, right? Either the Khilafat or the War of Independence. So either of these questions come. Okay, this is it. One of the reformers, either Shah Waliullah, I am expecting. I have told you the other questions earlier, na? These are the earlier questions, right? Robert Clive, Shah Waliullah, and this invasion of the decline of Mughal Empire. This was first. Okay. And these are the source questions. And the other was like Swadeshi movement one. Swadeshi movement. And the part B was why Muslim League was formed. And the other was, the third one was why the round table conferences failed. So this was it. Okay, so CETO, not the CENTO, CETO relations with US or India, Khilafat movement. This is now amongst the leaders. Benazir, I am more of in favor, perhaps I might be wrong. This would like Nawaz Sharif, 14 mark question. Nawaz Sharif or Musharraf, something in between, because last time I think so they asked of Benazir. So this is it. This is the period that we have to look forward to. Now how these questions are based, look, over the years you look at different exams, right? We have been teaching for the last decade or so. So what we do, we just go through all the past papers and we look at the trends. Even the students sometimes they judge the trend, that what are the different trends that are going on. So the trend is that two questions are mostly from the central era, that is the 1900s till the formation of Pakistan. So that is it. Okay, so please pay attention to them, right? And CETO, perhaps UN. These are the things. Best of luck for your exams.